What is up, guys, and welcome to another video. I've noticed but I haven't done any debrief of the whole build from the last year because there are videos of the process and rig, but there is no debrief of the whole build. So before I get into any more building stuff and upgrading the car, I wanted to show you everything what is done until now and how the car is set up, because I think it's in a really good position and a startup car in which if I didn't do any competitions, probably I would even leave the car like this as it is, because it drives awesome, has low maintenance, and in general the car is awesome until this level. If you want to keep it low budget, let's get into it before any further ado. And if you have any more questions, which I'll definitely lose something or forget about talking about something, you can leave them in the comments and I will answer them. Thank you, let's go. So externally, obviously, there is not much talk about because it's a 330 chassis. I haven't done any body work on it, except like adding the impact front and rear bumper. Also, AC snitcher wheels, back and forth, which in the front is ET10. And the back is, I think, ET30. You can see some changes in the back of the body because I've added a polyester CSL type trunk to make it lighter and more stylish, to give it this dark tail, and also HMS Motorsports wing. Another really sexy small mod, but still it does change a lot. It's the modifications on the headlights which Billy made me. So let me show you. Now you can see them better. These are like almost hexagon rings. They're not like the round ones. These are like from an M2 or an F series car, an F series BMW. It looks really cool. I don't think you can see it on the video, but honestly in real life it looks sick. And now we can go and see what's under the hood, because externally I think I don't have nothing to show you anymore. So let's go under the hood. It's a m54b30. We've changed the ignition coils just to make them a little bit more sporty and they can be more reliable than the stock one. So a cooling system was made for the oil reservoir and the steering reservoir, which is going in front here, using Nuke Performance full flow AN connectors and lines. So it's safe and reliable and goes here to the front of the fridge, so it makes some cooling the oil and the steering fluid. Also, we have a Mishimoto radiator to keep stuff cooled, and with a stock fan. As you also can see here, we have changed the intake. The intake now goes fully down here, so it can take cool air under the car instead of having it here as a stock one and the bulky one, which wasn't be able to take a lot of cool air. You can see I've removed the whole reservoir for the washing fluids because it's basically not so needable in racetrack. So I removed it because it took a lot of space, and so you have some better access to the engine bay, because I want to make it as simple as possible for the people who will work on it on the racetrack. And also the AC will go out and everything this, so it's gonna be much cleaner sooner, because the AC is also going away and everything will be shredded up and make more simpler as possible. So internally, as you see, it's quite simple. I have two bucket seats normally. Now I have only one because I had to fit a lot of stuff here when I was going to the race. We have a yellow RRS 6-point harness, as you see, for both the driving and the passenger seat also has the same. I have an RD steering wheel, although I think this one I want to retire it because it's an RD and I want to hang on the wall. So I have to change to a new wheel soon. KRP shifter and handbrake. And otherwise internally there's nothing else done, just removed the back seat. Let me show you what have we done in the trunk, because the biggest modifications until now to the chassis was done back there, the useless space in the basic. Yes, it doesn't work automatically because it's polyesteric and the locks are not working. I don't know why. Anyway, it's quite dirt, but as you can see, there's a lot of things scattered out from here and everything is removed. And as you see here, the floor. As you see here in the trunk, everything is cut and removed. And this is the purpose to have, because we wanted, again, like having more space here under the car, so you can have a quick access to the diff and everything and all the other parts. The battery also is picked up to the top and everything is in the top, so you have more access under there. Other than that, it's fully reinforced by MAFRA Customs. As you see here, the strut bars and everything, the flooring everything is reinforced. So to show you what's under my car, I have to take the GoPro, so the quality will be a little bit different. But anyway, and let's go under it to show you what's under it. So here we see my rear subframe. It's fully rebuilt, repainted. I got Wisefab lower camber control arms. I got bushings from Strong Flex, the sport ones, the yellow ones. The diff is from an X3. It's a really short one. It's a 4.1. I think it helps me because I don't have so much horsepower, so it's kind of cool with the setup I have. I really love it. You can see field suspension also in the rear, the normal ones. Then we have a custom exhaust by MAFRA Customs, which here we're gonna fix. We're gonna mod it later and delete the center one, the centerpiece, to make it a little bit louder. And in general, it's nothing more. It's neat, black, repainted, as I said. Oh, there is also not this one, but we've modified the knuckles so it can accept the second brake caliper. And yeah, that's it. So new brake lines for the handbrake, held performance, as you can see them inside here also. That's it for the back, and let's go to the front now. So in the front we see it's pretty much stockish. Difference I have, the tie rods are PMC, so in cooperation with KRP plates, so I have more steering lock. As you see here, it's quite nice. I had to do a little bit modification on the arms. Fully new hell brake lines, and basically nothing more. That's it. Oh, here you also can see pretty good the engine mounts, new engine mounts from Strong Flex. Also mounts, I have also Strong Flex mounts for my transmissions mounts are. I know it's quite hard to see, but also for me it's quite hard to explain all of this in this position, and I don't know how else I can show you these things. But anyway, I think I did show you everything already, and there's nothing much more left to do and show you. So thank you for watching, guys, and if you got any questions, or if I missed some details on the car or anything you want me to show you more on and go over details, just hit me up, hit in the comments, and hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, I mean, I will start doing some work on the car in the next few months. Big changes are coming, so you will be informed and watch these videos and everything. So thanks for watching, subscribe, and see you next time.